Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Edna and I'm with A&C Consulting Group. Today I'm going to do another quick update. The first update is on tax deadline. The federal tax deadline has been extended to May 17th, and some states have also extended their tax deadline. For Virginia, the extended deadline is now May 17th also. The second update is on unemployment benefits. The IRS is urging taxpayers who already filed their tax returns but qualified for the $10,200 exemption from unemployment benefits not to file amended tax return. They are trying to work out a way that the affected taxpayers may be issued some refunds without filing an amended tax return. The third update is on PPP loan. The House and the Senate have passed a bill to extend the deadline for the PPP loan from March 31st to May 31st. The bill is now waiting for the president to sign it into law. And the final update is a reminder for Schedule C filers to remember that they can now use their gross profit to calculate the PPP loan amount that they qualify for and not net profit. That's it for now, and thank you so much for watching this video. For more information, please contact A&C Group at 757-460-3910.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and add your question to the comments. We look forward to helping you on your entrepreneurship journey to build a feasible, sustainable, and profitable business. So subscribe, and we will see you once again next week.